Tongue and groove refers to the joining of wood pieces on edge and stacked up so that basically we're building a wall without any fasteners or hardware required. We've laminated two pieces of wood together to make a particularly wide wall section of 70 millimeters, and then we apply the double tongue and groove and we stack those pieces of wood vertically to create the walls. It has great features in terms of building because it's very stable, it's quite strong. Every board is structurally graded in Canada, and so it's intended for structural use.
The structural load, the rain carrying system, the termite treatment, and the water seepage, the waterproofing, these are the few things that stem, and Peter has been very instrumental in when this expo house also was getting made. They have helped us out a lot in this.
One of the reasons that we prefer the double laminated, double tongue and groove wall is it gives us a wider section. So it's stiffer, stronger, more durable.
This particular structure is a very good resort mode. Resort is something where an opportunity cost becomes a very important aspect. Today, doing a resort in a concrete or a conventional way or the steel format, it takes, maybe one resort takes 2-3 years to do it. With this format, you can do it much faster and it looks even more prettier. The old wood charm is always better.
I think people really love the look and feel of the timber house. You can see the timber outside, you can see the timber inside. We chose Western hemlock and yellow cedar furniture, which is looking beautiful in the house. It provides a contrast with the wall colours and the nature of the walls. We chose yellow cedar doors, and we chose Western hemlock for the ceiling. So, you know, there's so many different light and shade, knotty and clear, and variations in the wood in the house, which are all complementary.